Want to manage your schedule using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how to enable Samsung Calendar. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. On the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open your account menu. Tap Connected Apps. Now, scroll down and find Samsung Calendar. You'll see a switch next to it. If the switch is gray, it means Samsung Calendar is not connected yet. Tap the switch. A new screen will appear with a Connect button. Tap Connect to link your Samsung Calendar. Once connected, the switch will turn blue. This means the feature is now enabled. Now you can ask Gemini to check your schedule, create events, or manage your calendar. If the switch is already blue, you can tap it again to disable the feature. The switch will turn gray, and Gemini will no longer access your calendar. And that's how to enable or disable Samsung Calendar in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.